Oh, they have literal sticks of butter.
Where did you think the term comes from?
Wait, how do you normally get butter, you ding dong?
It's like a brick.
What, Aiden, can you record properly? What, you can't even see what the thing is recording. Well, coming to you live. Not live, this is pre-recorded. But from Yggdrasil, the world starting, we are making scrambled eggs via the microwave. Right.
People like you deserve to be on a fucking cross.
Alright, those 3 eggs. Alright, Bill, crack those eggs into that bowl.
Okay.
We got 3 eggs? How many eggs are you making? Pull it out of there! Holy crap.
Alright, well, I don't know. Again, it's an unfamiliar territory.
Well, didn't you ask me to whistle?
Alright, okay, no,
you're gonna do it? Okay.
Somebody else is gonna
If someone could supply me with a whisk, I'll do it.
What the? Alright, okay, just another thing. This is an American milk carton. What the is gay?
Why are you gay?
That's very milky.
That's
Wow,
that's a
that's a lot of milk.
Can someone please
Shut-
supply me with a whisk?
Shut up. Alright, okay, has anybody got a fork?
A lot of milk in here.
Yeah, no, I always end up doing so. But
Way too much. They're gonna basically just be milk eggs. What the
Bruh.
fuck are you
alright,
doing,
well,
dude?
put another egg in. Off.
What?
Put another egg in. Jesus.
Fucking Scottish culinary
custard.
skills.
I
Yeah,
don't
you
know.
basically made a
Look at this.
custard.
I don't have a grasp on this. Why is your carton like that?
And you squeeze, just like this. Oh, oh.
Any British knows what a fuck British milk carton is. You know what? That looks good.
I'll put another egg in. Aside.
How many eggs are you guys trying to make? Jesus Christ. Oh my god, you really did make like a custard though.
Shut your hole.
Oh. Ugh.
Mix that shit.
That is just unironically custard.
I think you put way too much
Go
milk
for
in.
it.
You may
Go
have
for it.
wasted a lot of eggs, not gonna.
We knew that going into this.
Look,
True.
the eggs died for a good cause.
Ugh.
Shut your hole.
No, you.
Shut your fucking hole. Look, look. My actions are backed by the righteousness of God.
That.
anything to do with this.
This is the righteousness of God.
This is the worst indictment of Christianity I've ever seen.
It's pretty bad.
That's including the formation of the Anglican Church.
Fucking shut up. I'm gonna eat this and it's gonna be delicious. Alright, let's see.
Add the butter, you degenerate.
Okay, fucking, you know what, that'll do. Ah!
How'd you cut yourself with a butter knife?
I certainly hope you've got the license for that, right?
Well, no, I don't.
No! Then in that case, in the name of the Queen!
Shut up, alright, leave it.
Also, what
leave
you
it.
did- it's butter's on.
Leave it.
It's
Leave your
butter
fingers.
is not soft. You just throw. Oh my god, what have we done? Oh my god, what is this?
Move.
Oh my god.
Oh, toast! What's the toast? Alright, let's take a look. Let's see what it looks like.
Nothing.
It's getting there. What's the fork? Give me the fork. Why is your toaster in the microwave? What the is
Do you see how it says toaster combo?
That's... Bill, have you ever seen a toaster that's part of the microwave?
Wish I had. Sounds pretty good.
Excellent.
Oh
Looks
my god, look at that.
Excellent.
Jesus fucking
Alright, Bill,
Christ.
get some oven mitts or some tissues. I always use like the roll thing they have in the kitchen to drag
Oh,
that shit.
me
Just
sideways.
look
What
at
is that?
This absolute goddamn nightmare.
Here we go. And
Salt and pepper is prepped.
really yellow. Didn't.
That's a souffle. You made a really shit souffle.
Yeah, it looks like a real.
yellow. It should be. It
Because
should
you
be
made
white.
a shitty souffle that you put butter in it and you didn't.
White.
Oh, it's raw. Is this really happening? He can't even boil a fucking egg. Fucking thing's still got feathers on it.
What's fucking toast, bitch?
I told you you can't do both at the same time, but here.
Wait,
Nice.
you can't do both at the same time. What combo, my dick?
Well, you can do them in the same thing, but not at the same time.
Nine separation of the toast for it.
It is. I mean, I guess it.
Well,
comes-
again, like, normally you do them simultaneously, but the f***ing toast on the microwave is the same f***ing thing. Well, that tastes really good.
Really?
Yeah.
That tastes really good. Well. It's gonna be hot as shit.
How the fuck did you get that down your front
Yeah.
yourself so badly?
Huh?
It had to be like hot as shit. Oh yeah, what did you do? Why is all this jizz on your shirt? Where'd that come from?
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. But, you know what I mean? When a man devotes himself to the arts, some sacrifices
arts.
must be made. What's that salt and pepper shit? Because get a bit more in
There's
there.
literally a giant thing of Morton salt right there. And then here's the pepper.
You don't have a salt shaker like you know.
We had to go get salt today, remember?
Fucking move away.
My life and lifestyle.
Is that actually good, in your opinion?
Bit too much pepper, but
Fuck
it's
yourself.
soft. Is pepper okay? I mean, the toast.
You may wish
Why?
to count
Why
it.
is there segments in this?
I grabbed the first plate. You want to grab me another
What do
one?
you Americans like?
I grabbed the first plate I found. Here you go. Here's a different one. Ding dong. There you go. Nope. Use that one. Is that better?
Kay, eat your heart out.
Yeah, this is some really putting cooking with Kay to shame here. This is advanced Scottish cooking. True
Shut
British
up, you
cuisine.
fucking alcoholic.
You're one to
autistic
talk, you
bitch.
chubby little queer.
What am I? We cook one on.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
Alright,
It looks like the world's shittiest French onion soup.
this is really grotesque. But again, this is advanced Scottish cooking
Oh yeah, we'll see.
with knuckle
Leads with just eating fucking
Honestly,
toast.
best thing I've ate since I got here.
Jesus
Bruh.
Christ.
You're not even getting any egg on it. You're just kind of rubbing a slice of toast on a congealed mass of protein.
You get it in the water.
In the water?
Yeah, egg water.
Oh my god. Why? What is egg water?
Well, the juice. Try it. Take a bite of that.
Oh no, no,
Genuinely,
no,
take a bite
no,
of that.
no, no.
Tell me it's as bad
You can
as
do it,
you
Bill.
think it is. Go for it.
Bill, you can do it.
I will remember
You don't
this.
have to if you don't want to, but tell me it's as bad as you think it is.
Could you please stop gesticulating towards me with the toast?
Try. Take a bite.
Fine.
Hold it. Take a bite. Is it that bad?
But they're right.
You're fucking gay.
Well, what do you rate it?
Oh,
What do you rate your eggs?
and with the America version, with the British version being a 10 out of 10, okay, this is a solid 7.
magnificent microwave casserole.